With another Pixel launch approaching, attention is quickly shifting toward what Google may have planned this year. While camera improvements are always expected, recent leaks point to a different kind of change. Instead of focusing only on photography, Google appears to be giving the rear of the phone a more dynamic presence, and that detail is becoming increasingly difficult to ignore. As the expected Pixel 11 announcement moves closer, reports suggest that Google is preparing a lineup of 5 devices. The range is said to include the Pixel 11, Pixel 11 Pro, Pixel 11 Pro XL, Pixel Fold, and Pixel Watch 5. Interestingly, even the upcoming smartwatch has already surfaced through leaks, setting the stage for what could be a very active launch season. Among all the rumored upgrades, the most talked about feature may not be a camera enhancement at all. According to current reports, Google could be removing the thermometer sensor and replacing it with something known as Pixel Glow. This change appears small at first glance, but it may play a much larger role in the overall device experience than expected. Pixel Glow is rumored to be a compact RGB mini LED strip positioned beside the flash within the familiar pill-shaped camera bar. While details remain limited, the concept has generated considerable interest. If the reports are accurate, this subtle addition could introduce a new visual element that changes how users interact with their devices throughout the day. The lighting system could potentially serve several functions, including notifications, charging indicators, camera status alerts, and personalized animations. Rather than remaining a static hardware component, the rear camera area may become a more responsive part of the phone. That direction hints at Google's broader effort to make the device feel more interactive than before. Some sources suggest the feature may not involve a full RGB strip after all. Instead, Google could be developing a softer illuminated ring surrounding the camera module. Regardless of the final implementation, one thing appears consistent across the leaks. The company seems determined to transform the camera bar into something that extends beyond its traditional purpose. Beyond hardware changes, attention is also turning toward design and customization. Recent information shared by Mystic Leaks points to what may be the official Pixel 11 wallpaper collection. These visuals are closely tied to the device color options, offering a clearer picture of how Google intends to differentiate each model when they eventually arrive. The standard Pixel 11 is expected to be available in fuchsia, midnight haze, moss, and sterling light, while the Pro models are rumored to adopt a more premium palette that includes dune, fog, midnight, and pine. Each color appears designed to create a distinct visual identity while maintaining the clean aesthetic associated with the Pixel series. Concept imagery from Oscar WKRT Tech presents one possible vision of the Pro XL featuring the illuminated camera ring design. Shown in the dune finish, the device combines a warm orange tone with a refined matte texture. Paired with the rumored hardware specifications, the overall concept offers a compelling look at what this design direction could become. Turning to performance, reports indicate that Tensor G6 may be manufactured using TSMC's advanced 2nm process. The chip is expected to include one ARM C1 Ultra core running at 4.11 GHz, 4 ARM C1 Pro cores operating at 3.38 GHz, and 2 additional cores clocked at 2.65 GHz, suggesting a significant focus on processing capability. Additional components are rumored to include the Titan M3 security chip, a custom C-series GPU, and the MediaTek M90 modem. Reported abilities include booking rides, completing forms, shopping online, managing apps, improving Chrome browsing, enhancing autofill, refining spoken text into polished writing, and even creating widgets through voice commands. Combined with the new colors, Tensor G6 and Pixel Glow, these upgrades suggest a major step forward for the Pixel lineup, with more details still to emerge.